So I'm here with my friend Gavin. Gavin is a semi-professional photographer, and we took some rolling pictures, some still pictures of the C8, and we had our awesome driver Johnny over here. So Gavin, tell us, how can people find you if they want to get some pictures done of their cars?
You can find me on Instagram at Gavin_flicked. You can DM me on there and I'll respond real quick. We can get you booked.
Awesome. Well, this guy did a great job. You'll see the pictures in a bit. And if you need anything from him, you need someone to take pictures, contact Gavin. Every good photographer has to have a good driver. This is Johnny. Johnny was the driver of this gray monster, and that was helping us to take the pictures today.
Yep.
Thank you, Johnny.